In this video, the teacher helps her class understand how to conduct a fair test of the forces involved when different balls are rolled down a slope.
Now what we are going to do today is, we are going to use a paper ball, alright, a paper ball and a tennis ball. Each group will come over here. You're just going to place this paper ball on the slope and see how far it rolls. And then mark the distance till where it rolls, and with your crayons you will write P for paper ball and T for tennis ball. So you will do this at least 3 times so that you can observe nicely which ball rolls down further. Alright, so why that happens we will discuss later. Come on, mark the distance, right? P over there. Mark a line. Yes. Next, come on. Okay. Wonderful.
The teacher then moves on to the core aim of the lesson, ensuring that the test is fair.
All right, this group, I just observed that you were pushing the paper ball. Do you think that was the right way to do? What did you do with the tennis ball?
And we just only put the ball on the slope.
You just placed the ball on the slope, right? And what did you do with the paper ball I just observed?
Ma'am, we pushed the paper ball.
You pushed the paper ball. Why?
The paper is so smooth. So the paper is only going no go far.
It's
and
not
the
going.
And the tennis ball going
So
going
you
far.
want your paper ball also to go far? But do you think it was right? Did you treat both the balls in the same way?
No, ma'am.
No? What should we do?
Ma'am, we should put both the ball on the center, and then we don't push the balls.
You don't push the balls. So can we place both the balls at one time and then release, or just leave them and then see? Would that be that would make it a fair test? Yes. So let's try like that. Place both your balls, 2 of you. Was that a fair test? Want to try it again? Yes. All of you saw, we did it on a smooth surface. You saw the result, and what did you see? Which ball moves faster? Tennis ball. It went further. Why do you think the tennis ball was going further? Because of its smooth surface. And what about the paper ball? One at a time.
Ma'am, a tennis ball can go further fast because it is round and smooth.
Round and smooth. And what about the paper ball?
The ball is smooth and the paper is curved.
Alright. In the first experiment that you all had a game over here, how was the surface of the slope?
Ma'am, the surface was not rough and it helps the ball to roll faster.
Ma'am, the slope is smooth and the ball is round and harder. So, therefore, it can move faster.
It can move.
With the students suggesting various explanations for what they have seen, the teacher can use their interest to further challenge and develop their understanding.
What if we try rolling these balls on a different surface? Can we do that on a different surface? So this surface was smooth. What's the other kind of surface that we can use for our next game? Uneven. Yes. Rough surface or an uneven surface. So if I spread a cloth on this, would that make it a little rough and uneven? Yes. All right. Monitors from group 4, 5 and 6, and start the test. It has to be a fair test. Remember, you said yourself you would place it.
Encouraging students to devise their own tests helps them to clarify the question that they are investigating. Developing the students' understanding by only changing one variable helps them to understand the notion of a fair test.